Okay, now we're going to do the volume of a bullet tank, or a bullet, how you would find that. And it's the same thing. We have a cylinder and a sphere, so we're going to find the volume of both and add them together. So I know my radius over here is 6 because that's half of 12. So I'm going to do pi times 6 squared times the height of my cylinder, which is 28, plus my volume of my sphere, because this part and this part added together make one sphere. And so then I would do 4 times my pi times my 6, which is my radius, and I'm cubing it this time, divided by 3. And that is how I will find the volume of a bullet tank, or of this bullet tank. So let's go to our calculator and we're going to plug it in. Okay, now when we put this in the calculator, I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. The first way is I would do my pi, which is that second arrow, and then I'm going to put my 6 in parentheses, and then I'm going to hit that squared button to square it, and then I'm going to multiply that times 28, and then I will hit enter and get an answer. And then I'm going to hit plus. And when I hit plus, it does my answer plus what I'm going to put in next. And so then I would do my 4, uh, let's see, times my pi, times my 6, and this time it's cubed, so I'm going to do the little house top and a 3. And then I'm going to close all of this with parentheses. Let me see here. I need to get big parentheses, so no, I don't want that. Stupid calculator. Okay, so now I did my cubed and then I closed all of that in parentheses, so then I could divide the whole thing by 3. And when I did that, I hit enter, and my answer is 4,071.5. If I'm rounding to my tenths, this would be my answer, and it's 4,071.5 feet cubed because we're doing volume. Now, the other way you could have put this in the calculator is you would have had to use a lot of parentheses, and you could have put in the first thing in a set of parentheses besides the ones that you had in there, then done your adding, then done that in the parentheses plus the dividing by 3, and you could have put it all in there one time. But I found it easier to put it in separately and just do your answer plus. That works the easiest.